Our planet is in constant motion, a dynamic sphere spinning through the cosmos. It spins on its axis, a giant blue marble adrift in the vastness of space, completing one full rotation every 24 hours. This rotation, a subtle dance we barely perceive, is the reason for day and night, creating the rhythm of our daily lives. It dictates our perception of time, our seasons, and influences our planet's weather patterns, driving the winds and ocean currents. Earth's spin is more than a simple fact. It's a fundamental force shaping our world, affecting everything from the climate to the way we measure time. But what would happen if this ceaseless motion were to suddenly cease? The consequences would be catastrophic. Imagine for a moment if Earth were to stop spinning, even for a few seconds. The sudden halt would unleash unimaginable forces. The very fabric of our existence would be thrown into disarray. The atmosphere would continue to move, causing devastating winds and massive tsunamis. The sudden stop would also affect the gravitational balance, potentially causing earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Life as we know it would be irrevocably altered, highlighting the importance of Earth's constant, reliable spin. To grasp the sheer impossibility of a sudden stop, we must first understand the concept of angular momentum. Earth spins at a remarkable speed, roughly 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. This momentum, acquired over billions of years, is immense. Think of a spinning top. It remains upright due to its momentum. Stopping it abruptly requires significant force. Similarly, an unimaginable force would be needed to halt Earth's rotation. No known cosmic phenomenon could exert such influence. Let's for a moment entertain the impossible. Imagine Earth suddenly halting its spin, holding its breath in the vacuum of space. A silence, more profound than any experienced before, would engulf the planet. This silence, however, would be the harbinger of chaos. The very laws of physics would rear their heads, as the immense momentum, once a force of stability, transforms into a destructive torrent. The consequences would be felt across the globe, from the smallest organism to the largest land masses. Section 4. Havoc unleashed when inertia takes over. The first and most immediate consequence of this impossible event would be the brutal assertion of inertia. Imagine the sheer force of everything on Earth suddenly being thrown sideways. We, along with everything else on the Earth's surface, are in constant motion due to the planet's rotation. This motion is so ingrained in our daily lives that we hardly notice it. A sudden stop would be akin to a car hitting a brick wall at 1,000 miles per hour. Buildings would crumble, reduced to rubble in an instant. The infrastructure we rely on would be obliterated. Oceans would surge in unimaginable tsunamis, waves towering higher than any seen before, sweeping away everything in their path. Coastal cities would be submerged and the devastation would be beyond comprehension, and the very land itself would buckle and warp under the unimaginable stress. Mountains might shift, valleys could rise, and the landscape as we know it would be forever altered. The Earth's crust would be under immense pressure, leading to earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on a scale never witnessed by humanity. Section 5. Atmospheric upheaval, winds of unthinkable fury. The atmosphere, no longer dragged along by the rotating Earth, would continue its eastward momentum. Winds of unimaginable fury, far exceeding any hurricane ever recorded, would sweep across the globe. These winds would scour the Earth's surface, reshaping landscapes, uprooting forests, and leaving behind a trail of unimaginable destruction. The delicate balance of our atmosphere, so crucial for life, would be thrown into utter chaos. Section 6. Our constant spin, a necessary dance for life. The Earth's rotation is not just a simple spin, it's a complex and beautiful dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. Thankfully, the scenario we've explored is purely hypothetical. Imagine a world where the Earth suddenly stopped spinning. The consequences would be catastrophic, altering everything from our weather patterns to the very structure of our days and nights. The laws of physics, as we understand them, assure us that Earth will not simply stop spinning. These laws govern the motion of celestial bodies, ensuring that our planet continues its steady rotation. It is a testament to the stability and resilience of our planet, a marvel of cosmic engineering that has allowed life to thrive in such a delicate balance. This balance of forces is not just a scientific curiosity, it is the very foundation upon which life on Earth is built. The gravitational pull, the centrifugal force, and the inertia all work in harmony to create a stable environment. Our planet's rotation, a constant in our lives, is a force we often take for granted. Yet, it is this rotation that gives us the rhythm of time, the cycle of days and nights that we rely on. We wake up to the sunrise and go to sleep after sunset, all thanks to this continuous spin. It's a force so ingrained in our daily lives that we rarely stop to think about it. But it is this very spin that drives our weather, creating wind patterns and ocean currents that are essential for our climate. It shapes our days and nights, giving us the alternating periods of light and darkness that are crucial for the biological rhythms of all living organisms, and ultimately makes life on Earth possible. Without this rotation, the conditions necessary for life as we know it would not exist. It's a dance we are a part of, a cosmic waltz that has been choreographed by the universe itself. A cosmic waltz we will continue to dance for millennia to come. This dance is not just a scientific phenomenon, it is a beautiful, intricate part of our existence, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet.